Let's see. This man's funny, yo. He funny as hell. How the fuck you revving at me? What a guy, yo. Hey, I got some trash to throw away real quick. Hold up, twin. All these bottles and shit in my car. Damn. Alright, man. Yo, what's good? Oh shit, seatbelt stuck and shit. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sweat. We back with another. Oh shit, I did not mean to hit that. Damn, fucking everything up right now. Let me go right here, right here. Oh yeah, we out there. We out there. There we go. Yeah, we good. We good. We good. We's Goche in the coche. I don't even know what y'all could see for real, but it's alright. Let me just make it so I can check that for y'all real quick. Real quickie. Real quickie with the blicky. I want to make sure y'all got a good angle. Dodge loud as fuck. That Dodge loud as hell. I can't even lie to you. That damn Dodge loud as hell, man. Alright, y'all, we making a quick little trip. Me and Young Drizzy are on our way to court. Y'all don't need to know no more than that. Just know, we're on our way to court. So why not have a little fun on the highway on the way? But I don't know if y'all seen the wide bodies too much on this channel since I got rid of my Dodge. Damn. Close that real quick. God damn. Come on now, Driz. Bring that $5 little wide body up here. I hope that wasn't the cop. I really hope that wasn't the cop I passed doing that. Yikes if that was. God dang, shouty. Oh. Think he about to come up right here. Let's see if he give me a nice little pull. Let's see. Damn. Boy, I swear, I don't care what people say. Dodges are cool ass cars to me. I don't give a damn. Them shits are just fun. I like how loud and aggressive they are. And like they're naturally like just fast for a stock car. We are the champions, my friend.
It's really him. You're a victim.
Man, I don't know if y'all could see that wide body in my rear view, but oh my god, that shit is hard. Nah, I don't know why that shit like it's sitting high as hell. Damn, them rims he got on there big as fuck. God damn, shouty. I'm gonna duck through this away. Certified Beamer driver, yo. Fuck with me. Oh yeah, he can't handle that. That boy can't handle these quick cuts I got for him. What's up? We through. Y'all see, it's a calm little day. Light traffic out here. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, you know, we gotta go in here, handle some business at the court easy. You know, nothing crazy. We didn't do nothing, you know what I'm saying? Not guilty as always. But it's the shit you gotta deal with, man, when you're young. And yeah, just when you're young. I ain't gonna lie. If I was up, look at him, he just over there having a blast. What a guy. What a guy. I'm gonna be honest, the red rims are hard. I fucks with that. And there's a cop up here. All right, all right. Copy. Yeah, let me just, yeah, we just gonna drop that gear real quick, twin. Fuck that. Yes, sir. Nice old little state trooper for the day. Nothing too crazy. Oh, that's why the front of his car looked fun. I forgot he lost his front lip. Cause I was like, yo, that car looked kind of funny. That's cause he lost his front lip. God damn, shout it. Oh, I'll let you in, shout it. There you go, Nick. Yes, sir. It's warm today, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, it's 74 degrees, but it feels like 80 to me. I don't know why. Oh yeah, drop E. Drop E. That's Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm just gonna go down. I was just gonna keep going down. Drive straight up onto it. What? Hey, nah, I ain't gonna lie. This shit be popping like a motherfucker. And I'm about to launch the shit out this bitch off this light. No cap. As soon as this light turn green, I'm launching this shit bad. Yeah, I be having too much fun in here for real. Yeah, I'm about to launch this bitch. I don't give a fuck. If there's a cop, I'm just gonna say fuck it. I really don't give a shit today. Not one bit do I give a shit today. If buddy got a problem, tell him suck a dick. It's not my problem. Damn, I wish that light was gonna stay green. I could shoot all the way down this road. Damn. Shit. I didn't even let that shit lock all the way in either. Damn, that's tough. I could have really killed that. Big time. Big time. But yeah, man. We almost there to the courthouse. There's a cop right there. So I'm gonna chill a little bit. Love having a turbo. This shit cool as hell. you, cause I don't know why you right there being a dumbass. Fucking jackass. Yo, somebody listening to fucking ice cream truck music, yo. What the hell? I don't think I've ever heard that in person before. That was something new. Something new to me. Damn, yo, go, fuck. Yeah, just let us on through. Y'all bullshitting back here. Damn, he kicking up hella water. Shit. That shit burbling? Damn. Ooh, why body come trim as hell? Damn. Y'all already know, Motion Boys always pulling up some way together. Never solo. Never solo. Hey police, how y'all doing? Damn, but look at all these cop cars. Shit, boy, do not act the fool around that bit, twin. They will lock your dumb ass up, twin. Oh, shit. Nah, I really don't know where we gotta go for real. That's the crazy thing. I really don't know where we gotta go. That's actually like the biggest problem here. Oh, man. But yo, y'all see all these cop cars, dude? Like, yo, bro, they try and get us, yo. Free me out the pen. Yo, then he parked right in front of a cap. Bro, you wildin', gang. Dang. Yo, you wildin', gang. I wasn't trying to be in front of buddy. Fuck. But fuck it, we here now. Oh, that wide body hard as fuck. I don't care what nobody say. That shit is hell. That shit tough as hell. Please don't park next to me. Oh my God, and your weird ass parked next to me. Fuck. Weirdo. I don't like that shit. Alright, one bit.
I think that stays with the
You said what?
I think that shit was waiting.
Oh, the
Yeah.
I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it.
He had his lights on.
Not one bit. Not one bit. Am I worried about it? Probably should have turned my lights off.
Oh, you want me to?
No, I said I probably should turn mine off.